Now guys, when it comes to skincare, most of our efforts tend to be all focused on the face. We don't think about the body, right? Till it's too late and we end up with body acne, Backne, strawberry legs, ingrown hair, and these things are a little annoying, to be honest. So yes, personally I have dealt with Backne for the longest time. Backne, which is, you probably already know this, acne on the back. It's so common, it has a name of its own. So for me, I love wearing backless dresses, but with Backne, you can get a little conscious. It used to just happen to me. So there are a few things I started doing which have helped me tremendously, and I'll just share them with you all. Because honestly, guys, these things can happen to anybody. It's very, very common, right? For example, something as simple as when you do a workout, okay, when you have like a full sweaty workout session, right after that, you should take a shower within 10 minutes. If you don't do that, because of the sweat accumulation and the buildup, you can end up with body acne and Backne and things like that. It's so easy and so common to develop these things. Or something as simple as hot and humid weather, even that can lead to body acne or Backne. Or things like excess sebum production, dead skin cell accumulation, they can lead to Backne, body acne, strawberry legs, and whatnot. So again, the bottom line is these things are very common. They can happen anytime, anywhere. But here are 5 tips and tricks and hacks that have come in very handy for me, and they are most likely to help you too. So yes, if you want to know more, just keep watching this video, guys, to find out. When you're taking a shower, don't use water which is either too hot or too cold, okay? Extreme water temperatures, they can make your skin dry, irritated. It can even lead to skin redness and all the skin problems that we just discussed. So moderate water temperature is a good way to start, and it's a very easy thing to incorporate into your routine. You just have to keep your bath water temperature at a reasonable, moderate level. And guys, here's a tip that has come in super handy for me, especially during the summer season. Like I told you, right, I used to have Backne, very bad Backne. It used to get even worse during the summer season. So with all the itching and all the scratching, it used to be horrible. I used to hate that. So this summer, my Backne has been like completely gone. It's been so smooth and so awesome. So one change that I made to my shower routine was to start using salicylic acid. Now you might have heard me talk about salicylic acid in the past when we talked about skincare on the face or acne on the face. Salicylic acid is basically a BHA or beta-hydroxy acid. It's a chemical exfoliator which goes into the deeper layers of your skin, pulls out all the nasties, pulls out all the dirty bad stuff, and keeps your skin squeaky clean. So your skin is able to breathe, relax, repair, heal itself, and you don't end up with eruptions like acne. So basically, what is acne? Before that, guys, this is the body wash I've been using. I think I'll just review this a little bit for you guys today so you know exactly what I've been using. This from the brand 𝗵𝗍𝗍. I've never talked about this before on my channel, so I'll just tell you about this today a little bit. Before we get there, what causes acne on face or on body? Let's understand this. It can happen due to trapped excess sebum, okay? It can happen because of toxins. It can happen because of infection. Your body is trying to throw them out. Your skin is trying to get rid of it, because of which skin purging happens, all the breakouts, rashes, acne. Because of that, all these things are happening. So your body is trying to get rid of all these things, but how much can your body do naturally? You have to help it a little bit, right? So that is why, guys, when I saw this body wash, I was like, let's give it a try because it contains salicylic acid. So there's a body wash from 𝗵𝗍𝗍, 1% salicylic acid body wash, and as you can see over here, it is designed to prevent Backne and body acne. It's designed to exfoliate dead skin cells and also soothe the skin. Now this product is designed by dermatologists, which obviously makes it a very safe, effective, quality product. Not just like fancy jazzy thing which doesn't actually do much. It's designed like for a purpose, and it does the job well. Plus it's paraben free, alcohol free, silicone free, sulfate free. Like I just said, quality product, well designed product. It doesn't contain any of these bad things. So basically what you do is you just use it as a regular body wash. That's all you have to do. You can use it morning and evening. You can use it twice a day. Personally, what I would recommend, guys, on that note, if you have a lot of body acne or Backne, or if you have a lot of ingrown hair, if you sweat a lot especially, for people like that, I would suggest shower twice a day. It's not a bad idea at all. You can actually do it, and you can use this as your body wash. Now wait, just 1 second, I need to check my hair. I'm so conscious of my hair today. Alright, so guys, should I show you the texture? I think I'll just show you the texture. It has a gel-like texture. It's not like a soapy harsh form. Let me show this to you. It has a gentle gel-like texture moisture, which makes it extremely calming and gentle on the skin. And whether you have oily, normal or combination skin, this product is suitable for all skin types. It also contains chamomile extract, which once again is known to exfoliate your skin very gently but very effectively. So it does all of these things, and one bottle will easily last you for what? I think easily for about 4 months, because I've been using it for close to a month now, a little more than a month now, and I've just about used 1/3. So I'm just doing a calculation based my experience, and I'm pretty sure it will last me for 4 months. So that's pretty much how it should be for you, is also what I'm guessing. I will put the link in the description box below. It retails for rupees 489, which I think is quite a reasonable price, because generally with quality body washes in the Indian market, they're priced much higher. So it's a good, reasonable, affordably priced product. It's a quality product and does a very good job. I also have a coupon code, so you can check the details in the description box where you can use the coupon code for some discounts. And if you buy directly from the website, you will also get a 20% cashback, which I think is so amazing. Start using salicylic acid on your body, guys. You will see the difference. Like this summer was so amazing. I always get so annoyed with my Backne. It's irritating. It's not just a beauty concern. If it's too bad, it's also really annoying. So I have had such amazing smooth skin. My strawberry legs have gone. I do not have any ingrown hair. I do not have any body acne. Also, my Backne is cleared. So I felt like, salicylic acid can be absolutely magical. Also, like I always say, moisturize. Well moisturized skin will just behave so much better, guys. It will also look nicer, it will also look smoother, it will also behave better. So keep your skin hydrated, moisturized, and see, you will have to keep switching your body lotions, right? During winters, you need to use more creamy formula. During summer season, you can use less creamy formula, just light lotions, or even just use aloe vera gel instead of lotions. You can do that, but keep your skin well moisturized, well hydrated. And on that note, don't use heavy oils ever. As tempting as it may be, heavy oils, heavy cream, extremely heavy cream can actually lead to pore clogging, which you don't want. But keep your skin lightly moisturized, gently hydrated, and let your skin take care of itself. See, I always say this, guys, you need to trust your body's natural healing mechanism. Your body does not want acne. Your body does not want to have ingrown hair. Your body has defense mechanisms. You just have to enable that. You have to trust your body. So keeping your skin clean, like we just discussed, salicylic acid body wash, great option. Keeping your body moisturized can go a long way. And here's a tip which is super handy, and personally I don't follow that much myself, I'm being honest. And that is, instead of epilating or using a razor, try to do waxing more often. Okay, so personally I'm the kind of girl who will not do waxing and then suddenly have to go somewhere, so I'll quickly pick up a razor and I'll very quickly do my razor or epilating thing. But if you start waxing more regularly, so every once in a while I tell myself, okay Prachi, too much of strawberry legs, too many ingrown hair, start waxing. So I start waxing for a few months and I'll see a transformation. I will see the difference. That is not to say that if you wax, you will not get any ingrown hair. You will still get ingrown hair, but it will be a lot lesser. And last but not the least, start wearing breathable fabrics like cotton. It's a very good fabric, especially in a country like India. And start wearing loose fitting clothes if possible. Okay, so imagine this, if you're wearing tight jeggings or tight jeans the whole day versus if you're wearing like a loose flowing cotton skirt. Your skin will obviously be able to breathe and take care of itself better when you're wearing the loose flowing cotton skirt versus when you're wearing jeans, right? It makes a difference. Now, of course, you can't have your fashion choices be entirely dictated by, these things. But at least, when you're at home or when you're sleeping at night, try to wear loose pajamas, loose clothing, easy to breathe fabrics. It will also make a difference. It also is much more comfortable, so why not? So yes, guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. These are some quick tips and tricks and hacks. If you have any hacks of your own, please share them with me in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. And also, while you're sharing your hacks or writing your comments, please do that. Also, please hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.